How do VA cash out loans work? Finally, my favorite topic. Let's get after it. Hey, VA Nation, Jeff Newton here with National VA Loans powered by Stride Bank. The contact us here. It's 855-956-4040. 855-956-4040. All right, how do VA cash out loans work? Well, put it mildly, VA cash out loans, what they're used for, why they work, and how they work. What you're going to do on a VA cash out loan is you're going to use the equity that you built up in your home over the years of ownership to withdraw and do basically whatever you want with. I know, sounds pretty easy, right? End of video. We're all done. No, just kidding. Actually, it is about that simple, though. So, the VA, number one, is the only loan out there on a cash out loan that you can go above 80% loan to value. We have 90% options and even up to 100%. Now, what that means is you're going to, at 100%, you're using all the equity in your property. So if we were to refinance your home, or if we were to get an appraisal on your home and it came in at 300,000, we would do a loan amount for 300,000, and that would be utilizing all the equity in your property. 90%, we can do the math, right? 90%, 270,000, so on and so forth. Okay. So number one, the only loan that does that, all right? It's the only loan that you can access that gives you access to all the equity in your home, okay? The only loan, all right? It's a VA loan. It's the VA cash out. It's the only one. So it gives you access to every dime of equity that you have in your property. Now, a lot of people think, well, are there stipulations? Are there ways that I can use that? Are you going to tell me how I can use it? No. The answer is no. We're not going to tell you how you can use it. You can use it to pay off debt. Okay. And that's something you guys have heard me talk about a lot, is paying off debt, increasing your cash flow, right? Now, I'm just going to give you a quick example. We're doing 100% financing, 100% cash out refi for our customer right now, a veteran in the Kansas City market. Oddly enough, he's local here with us. And we're going to save him about $700 a month out of his pocket. So the debt we're paying off, it's going to reduce. It's going to save him about $700 a month. And we're going to put about $30,000 in his pocket. Guys, I can't stress to you enough how big of a deal this is on a VA home loan. It's going to give this gentleman more cash flow every single month. So every single month, he's going to spend less money out of his pocket. Plus, we're going to put $30,000 a month in his pocket. I know what you're thinking right now is, well, how the hell do I do that? Well, you give us a call, 855-956-4040. So number one, you can get cash out, and you can do that what you want with that cash out. So if you decided to take that $30,000 or $40,000 or $50,000 cash, you can put it in the bank. Hell, you can buy cryptocurrency with it. You can buy stocks with it. You can do whatever you need to do with it. No problem at all. And that's the beauty of this loan and this program. There's not much better out there than the VA cash out loan. The another benefit to the VA cash out loan is you can pay off debt. Again, you can pay off any debt that you have, whether it be installment loans, car payments, credit cards is a big one. That's a huge one to pay off debt, is on the credit cards. So if you can pay off debt with credit card or with your VA equity, it's giant for what you can do. Okay. So think about it, increasing your cash flow. You got 20, 30, 40, 50, $60,000 in credit card debt, which isn't unheard of anymore. It's not at all. So if you've got that kind of money in credit card debt and you can take and pay that off, how much of a cash flow is it going to, how much of a dent is it going to make in your cash flow? If you can make another $700, $800, $900 a month in your pocket, what could you do with that? What if you decided you wanted to pay your house off sooner? We've got ways to show you that too. 855-956-4040. We can do all those things for you. It's real simple. So let's just start at the beginning on how it really works. All right. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to nationalapplynow.com. Right there at the bottom, you're going to download our simple, secure, easy Stride home mortgage application. You're going to complete that application. Take you less than 5 minutes. Honestly, it's really pretty quick and simple. You'll complete the application. That'll come in right to me, and I'm going to go ahead and give you a call. I'm going to pull and import in your loan, and then I'm going to call you. And we're going to go over your goals, because to me, it's all about goals. What are you trying to accomplish with the refinance? What are you trying to do by doing the refinance? Is it lower your interest rate? Is it lower your term? Is it pay off debt? Is it add money into the bank so that you can start a college fund for your newborn? What is it you're trying to accomplish? That's one of the number one things for me, is I want to know what your goals are. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look at everything, and we're going to see the best way to do it for you, whether it is lowering your term, whether it is using 100% of the financing available or the equity available, or even is it keeping it at 90% of the equity available. We're going to find what the best way for you. At that point, once we all agree that we have the right loan and we're doing it the right way, then what we're going to do is we'll send you the initial disclosure so you can see all the paperwork in black and white. And the beauty of it is it comes right, well, here's my phone, but it comes right to your phone so that you can see everything right there on your phone. Of course, you can use your laptop or your tablet as well. And then we're going to order the appraisal, the VA appraiser. Now, this is one cool thing about VA is VA has special appraisers that do all the appraisal work. So they can do anything, or they will go out and do the appraisal. Now, one thing I wanted to, and then of course we go through our underwriting process and then we get closed up. But one thing I wanted to touch on real quick is you can do a lot of things with home improvement on this as well. So if you pull a cash out, let's say you're going to pay off some debt, you're going to save yourself some money every month, but then you want to put $30,000 or $40,000 in your pocket and you want to do some home improvements. So I always say that's a great way to do it. Even if you're using that 100% and using all the equity, if you can put $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 in improvements in your property, what's that do? Well, it increases your equity again, right? That's the key. Increase that equity a little bit more every time. So that's one thing that you can do as well. So not only can you do debt consolidation, not only can you put money in the bank, not only can you pay off or reduce your interest rate and reduce your term to pay your home off quicker, but you can also do some home renovation projects around the house as well. I'm sure if you're like me, you got a honey-do list that doesn't quit. I know I do. And one of these days I might get to it. But you veterans, you have an opportunity to use that equity to complete that honey-do list and do everything you need around the house and save yourself some money. All right, to give us a call, it's 855-956-4040. Again, ask for any of our VA specialists. And if you want to stay up to date with all the current information for VA home loans, click or go to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/National VA Loans, or click subscribe somewhere here, and you will get notified whenever we put out new videos and things like that. Be sure to like, share, get them to all your friends and family. Make sure they know what's going on with the VA home loan and the VA home loan process. And again, if you're like me and you just like to get stuff done, go to nationalapplynow.com, download our simple, secure, easy stride home mortgage application. You'll be able to do it right from your phone or tablet, and it'll come right to us. And then we'll get a VA specialist to give you a call right away. Guys, until next time, we thank you for your service. We thank you for all you've done for us and for our country. We wouldn't be here without you. Until next time, take care of yourselves and God bless.